Hi, it's time to unbox the Bombi Waggle Stroller Wagon. Open the box. These are the 12-inch no-flat wheels for the back. These are the wheel guards. 9-inch no-flat wheels for the front. Lift the stroller out of the box. Here are 2 cup holders for the handle and 2 cup holders for the seats. Let's put on the wheels. Pop the 9-inch wheels on the front and the 12-inch wheels on the back. Open the stroller. Pop on the wheel guards. Now let's open the stroller. Pull up the handlebar. Pull up on the back of each seat. Push down on the footwell. Attach the double cup holder on the handle with 2 little hooks on the tabs. Attach 1 cup holder for the back seat and 1 cup holder for the front seat. I love that the handle is adjustable and it's easy to push or pull this stroller. Let's fold it down. Pull up on the levers behind each seat and fold them flat. Lift the lever on the handlebar and fold it all the way forward. Then pull up on the handle to start the wagon folding. You might have to adjust the front wheels, but there is a handy lock on the side. This is the folded package. Very compact for a stroller wagon. Let's open it up. Unlock the side lock, pull open the wagon to lay it flat, pull the handlebar up, lift both seat backs, and you're ready to go. Let's talk accessories. Here are the canopies and the baskets that are sold separately. Pop on your canopies. Then you can attach the baskets in the front and back of the stroller. They are quite large, and I love that they cinch closed so you can really pack them. Here are the sold separately child trays. They are easy to pop on the frame and feature a tray and cup holder for each seat. Plus, it's great that they swing away. And yes, you can have the canopies and the snack trays on at the same time. And that's the unboxing of the Bombi Waggle Stroller Wagon.